We could all use a little extra cash. And since many of us spend so much time scrolling anyway, you might as well leverage those fingertips and turn them into ways to make money from your phone. Many of us are considering ways to make money online without investing any money. Is it really as simple as it appears? What websites actually pay us for working from home? It's very natural to ask these kinds of questions. To tell you the truth, it is possible and very feasible also if you have access to the internet and a device to surf the internet. However, there are many more ways to make extra money than ever before. But the problem is that it's hard to figure out which ones are good and profitable and which ones are a complete waste of time. So if you are also caught in this puzzle and don't know where to start, then stick right to this video, as in today's video, we are going to talk about one of the best ways to make money online, and that is how to make money with System.io. So don't miss any part of the video, and if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that includes everything you need to construct effective sales funnels and expand your business from a personal passion into a profitable online business. System.io may help you to grow your business from a personal passion into an online business. System.io enables even those with little to no technical knowledge to construct high-converting funnels and automated systems to increase the number of leads, sales, and cash flow. Customers can automate their whole businesses by using drag and drop to make sales funnels, create email lists, send an unlimited number of emails, set up a fully functional SEO blog, set up their own affiliate network, and more. Moving forward, let's talk about how it works. System.io is among the affiliate programs that offer the highest possible payouts currently available. Affiliates of System.io can make money by promoting the company's digital products, services, and tools. By participating in System.io's affiliate network, you can earn 40% of the cost of the plan for the rest of your life. To start with System.io, all you need is a free account. The only things you need to do to get started without spending any money are to sign up, get your affiliate ID, and start spreading the word. When a person you've recommended signs up for System.io by using your affiliate link, your affiliate ID is permanently linked to that person's email address. Your affiliate ID is included in every email that System.io sends to a referral you provide. Affiliate tracking accomplished via the use of System.io is more accurate than tracking accomplished solely through cookies. So, after a person has signed up using your affiliate link and received an email on a different device, your affiliate link does not expire like cookies do. Instead, it remains active indefinitely. The System.io affiliate program has several tiers. The first tier is the lifetime commissions of 40%. Participants in the System.io affiliate program are currently eligible to receive a lifetime commission of 40% on any System.io memberships or courses sold as a result of their participation in the program. You will also be eligible to get commissions on your referrals for the rest of their working lives. It also works for any products that your affiliates decide to buy in the future. The second tier is the lifetime commissions of 5%. In the second tier, you can earn a 5% affiliate commission on sales that were made using the links provided by your referrals, which is referred to as second-tier commissions. The very greatest thing is that in order to become an affiliate, you don't even need to have a paid subscription. You will receive an affiliate ID once you have successfully registered for free. Apart from that, there are a total of 3 paid plans. The startup plan, which costs $27 per month, gives you a $10.8 per month commission in the first tier and a $1.35 commission in the second tier. The second plan is the webinar plan, with a price tag of $47 per month, with a 40% commission of $18.8 per month in the first tier and a 5% commission of $2.35 per month in the second tier. The third one is the costlier plan, the unlimited plan, with a subscription price of $97 per month. In it, you will get a 40% commission of $38.8 per month in the first tier and a 5% commission of $4.85 per month in the second tier. Even if you don't have a paid subscription to System.io, you can still become an affiliate. Just sign up for the free plan and you will receive an affiliate ID automatically. Last but not least, System.io is a pay-per-use platform. The most basic subscription allows subscribers to build funnels, sell things, and send emails to up to 5,000 contacts. Users can have as many funnels as they want, which is incredible. They can also have an infinite number of blogs and 3 membership sites. The next level grants the subscriber 10,000 contacts, 5 membership sites, A/B tests, promo codes, and 3 evergreen webinars. In addition to everything else available in the other tiers, the top tier subscriber receives 5 unique domains, unlimited evergreen webinars, and a kickoff coaching session. The subscriber can also change tiers at any time. As a result, it's extremely scalable for a new business owner to get started. That was all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.